Yes, you already know by the title, the thumbnail, and this intro. It's another edition of Cooking with Katrena in my priceless kitchen. Welcome back, or welcome if you're new here, and thanks so much for stopping by Katrena's Prices Home, Life, and more. And today we're back in my priceless kitchen for another edition of Cooking with Katrena. And today, well, I thought I would fry some pork chops. So you know what to do. Just keep watching. And to all of my new subscribers, thank you so much for joining my Priceless family. And if this is your first time here, I think you will love it here. So go ahead and subscribe as well. Well, enough of the chit chat. To the kitchen we go. And the bonnet? Well, and the apron? Well, that's part of my uniform in the kitchen because no one, no one wants hair in their food. To the kitchen, let's go. As always, the full ingredients list and directions will be in the description box below for your convenience. Today, it's only Mom and myself that will be enjoying these pork chops, so I only need 4 pieces. First things first, you saw I washed my hands, cleaned out my sink, and now the next step is to thoroughly wash my pork chops. I'm cleaning my pork chops with a little bit of salt to act as an abrasive to scrub and remove any of those small loose bones found, in cut pork chops. Seasonings of choice are salt, pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, seasoned salt, and mustard. I'm using all-purpose flour, and to my flour, I'm adding cornstarch, seasoned salt, paprika, and onion powder.
Who am I that the maker of heaven would love me and know me by name? In a world where I feel like a stranger, his love came and found me the same. In each breath that I breathe, when I wake or I sleep, everything
You already know I love my cast iron skillet, and I'm filling it halfway with vegetable oil. Allow it to heat for about 4 to 6 minutes and then test it with a little bit of flour. If it sinks, child, it's not hot enough. Just wait. I'm adding my pork chops and allowing it to cook on side number one anywhere from 7 to 10 minutes. Then I'm flipping it over and cooking it an additional 2 to 4 minutes.
All in you, everything I need is found in you. Found in you, Jesus. Everything I need is found in you. All in you, everything I need is found in you. Found in you, Jesus.
Please, ma'am, please, sir, tell me how much you enjoyed this southern fried pork chop recipe on today. Drop it down in the comments below. I would love to hear your feedback. And I have to hurry up because Mama, well, she's ready to eat. Enough of this plating. Yeah, that's what she's saying. Give me my pork chop now. And also, if you are new, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Hit that notification bell twice so you never miss when I'm cooking in my Price's kitchen, home decor, cleaning, or whatever I'm doing. And if you love Amazon, make sure to shop my Amazon store. The link is in the bio and it's open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week for your shopping convenience. Want more cooking recipes? Well, here is my cooking playlist and home decor as well. See you next time on Katrena's Prices Home, Life, and More. Stay safe, stay blessed, and remember, you are absolutely priceless.
Who am I that the maker of heaven wouldn't love me and know me by name?